Humanizing the situation means being willing to feel the feelings and just letting the feelings be there. If they're upset, if they're angry, if they're dismayed, if they're whatever it is, if they're relieved, you know, whatever it is, one step is settling your own nervous system and just having the capacity to sit with whatever feelings are coming up. Yeah. It doesn't mean that something is wrong. It means somebody is processing something. And to the degree that we can just hold space for them. Yeah. Whatever it is, like I hear this is coming out of nowhere, or I doubt that it's like that, especially if you've had conversations leading up to this. So that's one. Another one is to the degree that it is honest and true, I would make it about a goodness of fit and the well being of both parties, not about something wrong with the human being, right? So it would be something like, you know, I don't know all the history. So again, just adjust the language to slot in appropriately to where you are in the conversations. But it's something like, I've been giving a lot of thought to the requirements of this job and the skills and the capacities that you bring. And then I'd start with the strengths. I've really, we've done a lot of work at trying to get from here to here, or you bring these skills that are really valuable, which has made it really easy for me to keep working with you. So you're going to start with what's been good and what the strengths are. And then you're going to lead into, and ultimately, when I look at the job description, this organization, or, I don't know the context exactly, but we really need somebody who is able to do blah, blah, blah with less supervision or on a more whatever level. Like you just get into the requirements of the job. And I'm wondering if we're trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. I think you've done a courageous, a heroic effort at trying to meet the requirements of this. And I think it's just not working. I'm guessing you're unhappy, getting this constant feedback that it's not good enough. I wonder if we could find a path forward where I can help you get to a job that is a better fit for what it is that you bring, because you bring so many good things. I just don't think this is the right fit. Something in that direction. So there's a way that you can come in with your heart, with your care, with your ability to also be in touch with how hard it is for you, and the pain that you feel as well, without being so dysregulated that this poor person then ends up like trying to put you back together emotionally. It can be a very humanizing thing if your soon to be previous employee tears up and you empathically are feeling the pain with them, and you say, I am so sorry, I feel the pain of this too. This is hard for me as well, and I really want to find a way forward that is good for both of us. It's just coming from the engineering of what it is that you're bringing and what it is that we need in this position right now. Keep that piece impersonal, and then redirect to, you've made such valiant efforts. I have so much respect for the ways that you have tried to show up, and I hope you know that. Just keep redirecting to, how do we move forward from this in a way that's good for both of us?